everyone, I want to share some words from a very nourishing book that I'm reading currently, which is called, well, the title is in French here, but which is called Biology Behind Beliefs. And it's written by Bruce Lipton, who is a very high qualified scientist and kind of a revolutionary scientist who shares about how our genes, our DNA, is not finally the core of the changes and of our behaviors. So many scientists for decades and centuries used to believe that everything comes from the DNA and that we can't change anything because it's written and that's it, that's over. We do not have any control over it. Then for a few years they made some researches, and especially Bruce Lipton, for example, and they discovered that actually DNA is not that much necessary. Not saying that it is not important, of course it is, but we still have the power to change, to evolve. We can change actually and make changes over DNA. So according to Bruce Lipton, our environment, so meaning the lifestyle, the food that we eat, the relationships that we have and build, all the habits that we have, can have a huge impact on our cells, on our internal landscapes. To give you an example, I really appreciated an extract of the book, so I want to share it with you. In a chapter, he shares that, for example, you are reading the book and a snake just comes out from the book. Most of us, including me, will be very kind of scared and would love to escape. Then he wonders why. Why do we want to escape from this situation? Well, according to him, it's because we are taught to escape from danger. So in our subconscious mind, snake equals danger. So when we see a danger, we escape. We tend to protect ourselves. Second situation, the same thing happens. A snake comes out from a book, but a person who is reading the book is passionate by snakes, is really studying snakes for a living. So same situation, but for this person, the reaction will be totally different. It will be just so amazed, honored to have the privilege to study one of these creatures. So same situation, some external event, and two very different situations from the inside, two very different reactions. So willing to explain that whatever we are born with, whatever feels heavy and feels kind of limited and over by advance, Bruce Lipton really acknowledges the fact that we have a huge power that we are not even aware of. And if these words resonate with you, if you are willing to learn more about our ability to grow and to modify our internal beliefs, I really invite you to make researches on Bruce Lipton or Greg Braden and all these very famous and brilliant scientists. And I also invite you to have a look on your beliefs, on what scares you or what you've been taught to be scared of, for example. So which beliefs really depend on yourself? Which of these beliefs did you really decide to trust? And if you feel that you've been just following the outside rules, your parents or relatives' behaviors, then ask yourself if these beliefs still are useful for you. Thank you for listening to this video. I wish you a lovely day and week ahead. Thank you.